chose Will Excel because it was a no-brainer to me, comparing other programs. I could either take my TESOL at home and then be assigned and wait to get a job, or I could go take it and have a job right away. So it was a no-brainer for me. I learned basic classroom management, how to teach. I'm not a teacher by any means, so I learned everything I needed in order to make a class successful. I would definitely recommend Will Excel to anyone. Actually, I've been trying to get a whole bunch of people to come do it with me because it's been successful thus far for me and a lot of fun. Advice, just go with the flow. Don't be nervous and take China in, and don't worry about all the little stuff and just come to class.